Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to do a technical overview for you guys on the Baker's Choice. And I am just going to give you guys some overall specs and information that you need to know before you choose the Baker's Choice as the correct cook stove for you. So a couple of things I do want to point off right off the bat. This model does have a 7-inch flue. It is required to have that 7-inch flue in order for the unit to draft properly. I do have people who ask about switching to a 6 or an 8-inch. Number one thing you need to be aware of is if you change your flue size, you are technically voiding your UL safety listing. What does that mean for you? Now, God forbid you have some type of instance with your stove or a chimney fire and you have a situation where you now have an insurance claim. If that insurance inspector comes out to inspect the stove and your chimney pipe and sees that you have the incorrect pipe installed, they can technically deny your claim. So that's where you sit for liability. Now, in regards to function of the stove, you will have different effects if you go up or down with the draft. A lot of people want to immediately go up to an 8-inch flue. What happens is when you increase that size of the diameter of the chimney, you're actually slowing down your draft. So if you're less than a 20-foot chimney height, I really don't recommend sizing up, as oftentimes you'll experience issues with the stove smoking. Now, on the opposite end of that, when you size the unit down, you're actually increasing your draft. Now, what else can happen with that is that your flue gases will not escape your firebox quick enough. What does that mean? When your flue gases are reburning inside the firebox, it can actually blow up and create a little bit of an explosion. I've actually seen these lids fly off the stove for people who damper down and put too small of chimney flues. That could be super dangerous if you're sleeping in the middle of the night and your lid blows off the stove and now you have open exposed fire. So definitely keep that in mind. We do sell 7-inch chimney systems. It is something that we typically have in stock. So if you're looking at one of these stoves and need a new chimney system, you can definitely contact us for a quote. In addition to that, I want to give you guys some other clearances and specs on the stove that you should be aware of. As far as clearances on the stove go, your right and left hand side of the stove are going to have a 27-inch clearance. The clearance from the rear of the stove to the wall is going to be 28.5 inches. Your clearance off the front of the stove to anything, any couch, piece of furniture, anything like that, is going to be 48 inches. You do have hearth pad requirements as well. This Baker's Choice is going to require a type 2 hearth pad that is going to be ember plus insulation protection, okay? So the stove gets pretty hot. That's why the clearances are going to be a little bit larger on that. Other than that, this is an excellent heater stove. It's in a great price point for a cook stove that's going to heat about 2,000 square feet. Base price right now in July of 2023 is sitting at about $3,300 without any options on this. Again, keep in mind pricing is subject to vary. So that's an excellent price for a hand-built, North American-made product, and we love the Pioneer Company. All right, here we have up close the Baker's Choice. I'm going to take you guys inside the oven. Now, the oven door on the Baker's Choice is going to have the gasket to it. Again, 2 levels inside the oven. I should point out that this oven is just going to be a painted black, whereas on the Pioneer, both the Princess and the Duchess are going to have that stainless and then the enamel on the bottom. This just has 2 levels for the oven rack. Here we have inside the Firebox. This is actually going to be shown with the summer grate option installed. So they use these stainless baffles essentially that they use inside the stove, put them across the bottom. Or you can see super, super easy to remove this summer grate option. So you can see that the summer grate option raises the height of the Firebox by probably about 4 inches to my eye is what that looks like. Now you can obviously tell that's going to build your fire so much closer to this cooktop. Also, it builds you higher to the oven so that you can bypass that and send the heat around the oven without producing nearly as much heat into the room of the stove. Nice fully gasketed on your Firebox door. your ash pan door is also gasketed. This is super important. I'm really glad that they put a sticker there because a lot of people will overfire their stoves if they leave that open, especially if you're someone who likes to open your ash pan door when getting your fire started during the initial light. So here you go. Here we have the Baker's Choice opened up. I hope you guys found this technical overview helpful, informational, and educational. If you guys like these videos, please give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.